Greetings, viewers. Today on the Valiant, Oswald and I have taken off this door panel. Now, I tried to save that plastic, but every time I touched it, it just fell into pieces. You might see some there. I put this back because I don't know how to save that panel, and I don't have any money to buy one, but I need a functioning door, and that panel kept catching on the trim down here. Oswald said, man, we can't have that, so let's not have that. And we took that panel off. Now, I took the bolts out back here to take this off because there's a little surface rust there, and I want to seal this seam. Yeah, I want to make sure the seams are sealed. I'm not going to be able to afford window seals right away, so I'm going to definitely seal these up with some silicone, some clear stuff, and I'll do it real nice. But until I can get to these areas here, that is what's going to happen. Now, you might notice that window came down over there. This one will not move at all. But this is where I got some rust. The little rubber things were really good on this side. Again, silicone will seal that up. There's a seam here I want to protect, and here. Okay, enough about that for right now. I got both the wing vents open because I love the wing vents. I'm so happy the glass is good. I haven't really done much else to it. Oh, there's that door panel, and man, if you know a way to save the, I could save the backing part. Hang on. All right, like I was about to say, I don't know how to save this. I could make the cardboard part and cover it in something else. I don't know how to save that brittle vinyl. It just crumbles every time you touch it. That's falling apart inside my car. Every time I close the door, it's catching, so it's off. The trunk mat is, I like it, but it's so brittle too, it just fell into pieces when I took it out of the trunk. Now, it's a beautiful sunny day out today, so I did bring the Valiant out for some more trips up and down the driveway. I have taken it out on the road for 6 miles. Round out in the country, but I was so freaked out because I had no brakes and paying attention and going real slow in the places I needed to that I didn't film that or didn't video that. I did pick at that Bondo some more and make that worse, but I'm happy to not see holes, just damage. I'm sure that can be made better. I took all this crap off around the windows because it was falling apart. Finally got that package shelf out of there. Couldn't take it anymore. It was falling apart. I thought I vacuumed that up, but as you can see, I missed a bunch of that. So every time, like I said, I get in this, it needs vacuumed, it seems. Super fun to drive it up and down the road. 342 and 2/10 now on there. It was, that's almost 10 miles, 8 miles since I got it. So driving it up and down the driveway has been awesome. Been in the trunk. I really need those rear springs. Now, this thing leaks water in so many places around every piece of glass, basically, that I don't want to wash it. It's nice. It's 60 degrees today. I'd love to get it cleaned up, but at the same time, I don't want to wash it. Now, I've had it out and going up and down the road again because I'm getting ready to put it up on stands and tackle the bodywork parts underneath that are important. That's going to involve taking the interior out, having the vehicle up in the air. I'll leave it disabled for a short period of time. And so, yeah, I wanted to enjoy it. I did wash the windshield so I can actually see. And Oswald and I will probably take it up and down the driveway a few more times. So just a tiny update here on this before I put it up on the stands. Well, okay, if you watch this video at all, basically I just messed around with the car some today, did some more cleaning, did some more little things. drove it up and down the driveway about 2 more miles worth. A neighbor come over and checked it out. He really liked it. It was running great. I was accelerating in first up and down the driveway, and then it didn't want to run so great. The fuel filter is almost dry. I don't really know. When I get under there, I'll get it up in the air. I'm going to do brake lines and fuel lines and such and stuff. I just wanted to get it out and drive it up and down the driveway some today. It was fun. We enjoyed it. Yeah, so yeah, you'll see it. I'm going to show you everything I do underneath with it. I really need those springs. When I get under there and you get a better look, you're going to see I'm going to take lines down. We're going to replace lines. I want it reliable. I don't want it to break down on me. I mean, you know, I can't stop that from happening. But I want to try and give it its best chance not to break down on me. So you'll see it over here as I finish up over there and do other things here in the shop and play with the dog. He's on it. I can't wait to get under there and share that with you. So thanks for joining me for this little bit, which was just random BS about the Valiant. Yeah, I love the Valiant. Man, I love the Valiant. All right, thanks for joining me. Appreciate you.